Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in my B6 note. This cover is from Mystic's Little Gifts. It's in Napa Burgundy. It's B6 note size. And I just have a 5x7 notebook in here, journal in here, and I have my B6 Stalogy in here. I even just keep my pen on the page that I'm currently on. This is basically a jotted down planner. So this is last week's spread, and I used a sticker kit from Simply Me Kish, and the doll is from Coco's Vision. So this seems to be working well for me, so I'm going to move on to the next week. I'll be using this washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. There's the logo. And this mini sticker kit from the Jewel Box. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking on this. I'm just going to go ahead and get to it. So that's it for this week's Notes Plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!